If you're wondering how to use your leftover pearls, or any pearls, here's a really unique design. I'm Katie, and today we're making a circle pendant with pearls. This is a really quick and easy project to do. You can make it in about 5 minutes if you have your pearls and materials ready. It's really fun to make, and I love using it for those leftover pearls or beads that I just have after a project is over. And some people even use this to symbolize things in their life, like their mothers, their family members, but I just kind of love the pearl look, so that's what I did. Let's go over the tools and supplies we're gonna need for this project. We're gonna need some quick links, which is the base of the project. I'm gonna use actually this medium circle, but quick links come in all sizes, lots of sizes. And I have a little jump ring to attach that to the chain. I've got my hammer and bench block, 24 gauge wire, some pearls, a chain nose plier and flat nose plier, and my flush cutter. All right, so step one is to texturize your quick link. And I'm gonna use a domed chasing hammer to just give it a little bit of texture, and I don't know, I just love the way it looks. I'm just working my way around one side of the circle, almost angling my hammer a little bit as I go. If you want, you can flip it over and do the same thing. And also, you don't even have to hammer it if you don't want to. Next, we're gonna grab our pearls and decide which ones we wanna put in the center. Usually do like a couple small, couple medium, kind of do a little bit of a size variation. Let's see. Just try out different patterns and see what you like. Okay, that looks good to me. All right, so I'm happy with those 3 pearls. And with just a small little piece of 24 gauge, I'm going to wrap across the link and make a small coil on one side of the link. I like to put it here and just wrap really tight. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to flip it over and trim it and then tuck it down to make sure it's not poking out. Okay, so then now this piece will be what we string our pearls onto, and then we're going to make a coil on the other side, going in the same direction. And you can go completely across with it, you can curve it, you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna go straight across with this one. And I'm gonna make sure to make my coil going the same direction up. It helps me to kind of flip it over this way and do it the same way, where you poke it through the hole, pull it out, keep it tight as you do this. And when you reach the same number as the other side, just trim it and push it in. Now grab your jump ring and chain and your pliers, and we're just going to twist that open. Slide on our pendant, making sure we know which way is the back and the front. Slide in your chain and twist it back. And that's it. Let's go back over the tools and supplies we used. We had our hammer and our bench block for texturizing. We had our wire, our 24 gauge, a quick link and pearls, a flush cutter, a flat nose plier, and a chain nose plier, and chain and a jump ring. If you need to pick up any of the tools or supplies we used, check out the links in the description below. And while you're there, let us know in the comments what you would put in the middle of your circle. What kind of beads? What would you do? Let us know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you next time.